First of all, we'll draw a pattern for our Rangoli. You can choose any pattern of your choice. It can be a rough pattern because we are using it just for tracing. Now after that, we'll take an OHP sheet. It is easily available in market. You just place the OHP sheet over this pattern and trace your pattern. Or you can use CD marker to trace your pattern. Now you need to cut your patterns. Cutting your patterns, use my OHP sheet. Now we will make patterns or design on this OHP sheet with the help of this 3D outliner. We are drawing patterns on our OHP sheet with the help of 3D outliner. I am using golden color 3D outliner. You can use any color of your choice. Now we will make same pattern on all 4 diyas. Now after making these patterns on 4 diyas, I am using some kundans and I will be applying these kundans. These kundans are easily available at any local stationery shop. Or you can use any stones that are easily available. Now after applying these kundans, here I am using some stones that are easily available in the market. Take any color of stone of your choice. Okay, I am taking this time golden color stones. And I'll make a fine line using these stones. So here I have pasted all the golden stones, and in my next diya I'm using these silver stones. So you can use any color choice of your stones. One by one we are going to paste these stones very gently, very neatly. So once we are done with pasting of these stones, now we will fill these diyas with glass colors. You can use any color of your choice. Next I'm using these very glass colors. And here I'm using my pink color. These are my water-based glass colors. Make sure there will be no bubbles inside these colors. If there is any bubble, do hit it with a needle, with the help of needle. Now let me use my golden yellow color. These glass colors are very easy to use, very handy. I'm using this golden color again over here. Space left between the stones and this pink line. Now the only left part is this, so I'll be using my brown color for this part. The same way we will color all 4 diyas. See, there is one bubble. Again, I'm using my golden color, that is yellow golden color. And so now here it is. In the same way, we'll do our center part we already made. Here I had put one mirror in the center and 4 diyas are here. So let me show you how it looks. So here it is, a beautiful Rangoli is ready. You can use this Rangoli every year, next year also. Hope you like this video. Thank you, bye bye.